I don't have the exact words for how much awful it is.
We are not taking the risk because we have to go back. It was so scary.
Like a radiator on hoegi se 105 degree.
Today we are heading towards Aholdara viewpoint.
Give me all you've got if you're prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up? Don't let me fall. Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am down and on my knees, and I may fall as I'm suffering.
So I would still stand by my word. If you can remove Aholdara out of your list just because you don't like bad roads, just like we don't, I think it's pretty worth it. Those moments that we spent was astounding. The stretch is not worth. Let's say you still want to go. Please do go by Kalijhora, return by Kalijhora. I'll tell you exactly why. If you are going through our route, Rongtong, you will get that bad road stretch for around 20 kilometers. Whereas you go through Kalijhora, you will get maximum 5 to 7 kilometers. And after that, it is buttery smooth road. We'll go from Fulbari, Siliguri, then we will pass through Shukna forest and then Rongtong, and then we will enter Shitong. We are gonna try the different route because this is a much more scenic route. So we have refueled, both Krishna and myself. The next stop will be at the beginning of Shukna forest.
Now we are in Darjeeling mode. As you can see, I'm in the car with Krishna. Krishna is driving. We should meet after SIT. This is my SIT.
Right before the starting of the Shukna forest, we are trying to catch up here. And after there, it is showing around 18 to 20 kilometers left. The Siliguri have passed. We got a bad traffic. Now everything is dependent on the road condition. If the road condition is pretty manageable, we will not lose that much time. Stay along with us. Enjoy the ride.
I'm all the sins that you can't confess. I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me wish that we never met, but you act like we never. Got too wasted in the bathroom of your parents' house. Then you kissed me in the backseat of a taxi ride. And we said things that were cheesy, but we meant them. There were feelings, and now you deny it. You're in love with the idea of me.
So we are standing right in middle of Shukna forest. Not a Shukna forest viewpoint, not in Google Maps, not updated anywhere. But I like to declare it a place where you can meditate. After here, it is showing only 18 kilometers from Hotel Rongtong. There would be a turning. A small catch-up will be right before the turning towards Shitong. I think we will be proceeding towards Aholdara viewpoint, and then let's see is the difference between Aholdara and Ahol Space Dara.
I'm all the sins that you can't confess. I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me wish that we never met, but you act like we never. Got too wasted in the bathroom of your parents' house. Then you kissed me in the backseat of a taxi ride. And we said things that were cheesy, but we meant them. There were feelings, and now you deny it. You're in love with the idea of me.
This is Shivakala Mandir, and we are not planning to stop here. We will go for Aholdara viewpoint because it is already 12 p.m. So we are visiting directly to Aholdara viewpoint.
Today's experience is a combination of three decisions. One, taking the Rongtong route. That made it very worse, and I totally blame Google Maps for that.
Google Map has betrayed us because we put Aholdara with no space, and it led to that village.
আমি বললাম না যে এটা ফ্লপ খাওয়ার হাই চান্স আছে। এত কাছে যদি হলদারা ভিউ পয়েন্ট হইতো, লোকে কালীঝোড়া দিয়ে কেন যাবে? এখন এখান থেকে 25 কিলোমিটার যাও।
So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up.
If you are trying to come to Aholdara viewpoint, try to type in Google Maps Ahol space Dara. Okay? I think it will be around 25 kilometers to Latpanchar, and Aholdara viewpoint will be like around 22-23 kilometers. And we are not regretting it, because if you see here, if you have that will, you can make any place in this area as a viewpoint.
Be a traveler, don't be a tourist. Then only you
Yeah.
can enjoy.
Second, the most right decision that we had taken today, Bedasri chose cab. If Bedasri wouldn't have taken cab today, the road stretch we covered, it was not possible by me with a pillion.
Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline.
রাস্তা তো ওয়ার্থ নয় ভাই। বাইকটা যে চালাচ্ছি মনেই হচ্ছে না। বাইকের রেডিয়েটর অন হয়ে গেছে 105 ডিগ্রি। This beautiful road that it has to offer from the wrong Aholdara, that 25 kilometer stretch, until now it's awful, and we are still trying to pursue. I think we will be reaching Aholdara Latpanchar at 3:30. If this is the road condition on that side as well, I think for the first time I will be really scared. See you on the road, if there is one.
So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes. I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit. I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck.
Krishna's car is kind of stuck. That stretch is really very bad and very bumpy. It's not that easy. Krishna, তুমি ডান দিকে সরাও। সরা নিয়ে নাও, ডান দিকে সরাও। হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ। So Krishna has successfully climbed up that challenge, but I think there might be some damage to the car because we heard some sound, and definitely huge one.
And the third decision is bringing Krishna. When we were almost going to give up, Bedasri was on top of giving up and telling to come back. That time also, Krishna convinced everyone, okay, let's go. We have come, so let's go.
So Bedasri, how is your experience?
Horrible. It was so scary. It was horrid. Again, another horrid.
এবং খুব বাজে একটা মানে জার্নি বলা চলে।
একদম। তোমার মনে হচ্ছে এই দিক থেকে আসাটা ওয়ার্থ হচ্ছে ওইদিকে যাওয়াটা?
একদম মনে হচ্ছে যে এই দিক থেকে আসাটা একদম
একদম ভুল।
হ্যাঁ,
একদম ভুল আর বিফলও।
তবে ঠিক আছে, সাহস করে এগিয়ে চলছি।
হ্যাঁ, don't try this road. If you are trying to come to Sitong, Aholdara, Latpanchar, no matter how much bad the road is, please come from Kalijhora side. Neither we are enjoying, neither it is making it a challenge. I am kind of bored. I am kind of feeling not to ride anymore. We don't enjoy the destination as much we enjoy the ride, the road.
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
If it was possible, I would have ended my journey right here. The road stretch is continuing, it's continuing to be bad, and we are climbing height. I think the darkness is already kind of setting in because of clouds and everything. It's pretty demotivating as of now. I did not think this much bad stretch of road would be there. Uh, what else could I say?
Against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you.
That is Namthing Pokri, famous tourist place.
If you are guessing what is this, yeah, it looks like it's a beautiful field which is surrounded by pine forest. This is actually a lake. Its name is Namthing Pokri Lake, whose speciality is the entire dry season, the winter season or the non-rainy season, it becomes just like a field.
But in rainy season, you will see the water in this lake. This is beautiful.
And just to update you, right at the point, the last point where we vlogged, after 2 to 3 kilometers from there, the entire stretch started becoming fantastic. The road conditions were awesome, and we can see tourists also, though after that we are enjoying the ride. But it is setting dark. Let's see how much we can cover. So he also found some relief when he found one viewpoint finally for today. I think it is around 12 kilometers more to Aholdara. Aholdara viewpoint, we don't know, we have to see the route.
आगे है तो बस ऐसे मोड़ से ये देखिए लाटपंचर जा रहे हैं ये जा रही सेल्फू आल जा रहा है यहाँ से मोटर रोके
अच्छा, और जो अगर काली झोड़ा जाना है
यहाँ नीचे आते
वो लाटपंचर से होके जाना है।
लाटपंचर से जाएगा तो पास ब्रिक भी जा सकती है।
अच्छा,
यहाँ से फिर दाहिने ले लेना
दाहिने
काली
ले।
झोड़ा
काली झोड़ा,
हाँ।
अच्छा। रास्ता उधर के खराब है?
नहीं,
रास्ता अच्छा है?
अच्छा है तो
ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू सर।
जी सर नहीं बोलो, दोस्त बोलो।
अच्छा ठीक है, थैंक यू दोस्त।
Finally, we are at Ahaldara viewpoint. This is the parking area. You have to buy the tickets to enter Ahaldara viewpoint. For 2-wheeler, it is 20 rupees. For 4-wheeler, it is 50 rupees. From the Peach Road, it is almost 300 meters to actual viewpoint. Though the bike and car can go to the viewpoint, but we are not taking the risk. We will trek. So it is only 300 meters trek, so not a big deal. We'll enjoy that, I think.
And the stairs start. It's a pretty short stretch. Okay, I'm not sure which one is the viewpoint. Let's go up first. By the way, the information gathered is the view that I will get to see from there. It is known as Tagore Hills. And Krishna and Bhagashri, they are ready with their plates in hand. কেমন লাগছে? খাবারটা
খুব ভালো।
I'll have another. It's very tasty.
and the trademark picture we see when we get Aholdara viewpoint, that itself name is Aholdara Viewpoint Homestay. So definitely, if you want to book it from there.
It's 4:18 p.m. and we are losing daylight. We will take Latpancha Road, which will lead to Kalichora.
So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something needs change.
This road has been constructed new. Nobody perhaps knew this, or in the recent times nobody has come. We made a super wrong decision. Please come through Kalijora. Until here, this entire stretch was like butter. But we did not find any viewpoint as such in between. Few people were bird watching. But as of now, definitely come through Kalijora if you are trying to visit Aholdara viewpoint. Okay? Finally, we reached Kalijora. And finally, we can take some break. I'm having tea. If you can stay without Aholdara, stay without Aholdara. You don't need to come to Shitong. It's pathetic. It's really.
The final experience is I've never gone through such a bad stretch of road. Even with single rider mode, my hands, my wrists are paining like hell because I couldn't leave the clutch or brake even for a single second. If you want to get extra viewpoints, continue from this road only. Latpanchar, you go to Aholdara, you can go towards Selpu and you can definitely get other viewpoints. But that side that we took, there is nothing. Just want to say, we are trying to cover most of the places, both offbeat and popular tourist places of Duars side, and we are maintaining a playlist, Duars Diary Destination. It will be given here. So all in all, from first of week, ride safe.
Stay tuned.
And stay colorful.
Bye bye.
Bye. Until we see you next.